So good
So,
evening. Sorry, good afternoon.
good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing excellent. Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
Yes, I'm also doing good. Thanks for your concern, ma'am. So, yeah, we are meeting first time, so I think we should introduce each other first, then before the diving into our conversation.
Yes, sure. So I would love to know about you. So please introduce yourself first.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. As you see, my name is Pankaj Sonkar, and I'm from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. And I'm a private employee. My hobbies are reading book, playing cricket, and yeah, that's all about myself.
Wow, great to know here that you are from Prayagraj, right?
Yes, yes,
And
ma'am.
Kumbh Mela is also going on. So
Yes,
I really very super excited to know about Kumbh Mela. So yeah.
absolutely, ma'am. But
So I
before,
think in this video we will discuss about Kumbh Mela, okay? Because you are from there. I introduce myself, then we will just discuss.
okay,
Yeah, as you know that my name is Suman and I am from also UP, but I raised in Chandigarh. So and I got married in Delhi. So now I live in Delhi and I have done my graduation and apart from that I have done NTT diploma. Currently I am doing masters in English literature. And if I talk about my profession, so I am a teacher. I teach at my home as like a coaching. Yeah. And I have also a YouTube channel which name is Learn English with Suman. Over there I uploaded English conversation video. That's all about me.
yeah, Isha, ma'am, your video is really very good.
Thank
Okay,
you so much.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's a really nice intro, and even
So okay, so as you mentioned, you are from Prayagraj, right?
yes,
And okay. So nowadays, Kumbh Mela is running. So how's environment around your village? Could you tell me?
uh, to be honest, right now I'm not in Prayagraj, but I just came. It's 5 6 days before from there, so yeah, environment is really very fantastic. Even I'm also visited, and every person should, if anyone have time, so they should visit there. I just recommend they don't miss this kind of chance and opportunity to
Mhm,
visit, to do worship, and take a dip into Shangam. It's a
mhm.
really very good opportunity, and their environment, like we can say, it's a fields. We are in paradise.
Yeah, because when I scroll my phone, so in short, sometime I watch, so I feel very happy. And I also thought I should go there, but when I talk with my brother, so he said to me, "Dee, there is too much crowd. I think um, I don't exact number of people, 4 to 5 lakh people every day come there, right?" So he said to me, "It's too much difficult to carry with kids." So that's the reason I
Yeah,
cancelled because my son is small, not too much small. He is 8 year old, but when I go with him, so maybe he's not able. He will be not able to like
wow.
face the crowd. So that's the reason I cancelled. Yeah.
Yeah, but ma'am, this year, if we compare last Kumbh Mela, what happened in 2012, 13, and in Haridwar, so compared to those, this year government, they are really very active. They're providing in every kind of facility, like related to transportation, related to staying lodge. Even government they are trying to provide free living facilities those who are really coming from so far distance, so
Mhm.
they are trying to provide living as
Yeah,
well.
yeah. I also heard so many government organize everything very well manners. I heard in the news. Okay, so when you visited there, so have you met with the saint?
Same. Yeah, even this year I don't have that much time, but in I think 2012 or 13 when last Mahakumbh was happened in Prayagraj, that time I spent there around 10 to 15 days in Mela in a tents. Okay, so that time really I love to visit here and there from this like I try to meet with saints and uh, every like greatest persons, and we can see like that Kumbh is one place where we can find every kind of world greatest saints and person in a
Mm-hmm.
Kumbh.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise it's
Yeah.
very rarely we can find that kind of saints and persons.
Yeah, before Kumbh Mela, I never seen like sand. Yesterday, I scroll my phone, so I saw one of IIT Bombay pass
Yeah.
right one saint, right? And he is really very happy, and I love to watch his story, and he speak English really very amazing. So yeah, sometime I thought when I got to chance to meet with him or any another saint, so I want to conversation with them. I want to know about their past and why they won't become this and this. I want to ask reason.
There are every person have some different region. Even that person is nowadays so much famous, so much because of he was a IITN and now he became a sense. So that's why he's in limelight. So maximum like news channel, maximum YouTubers, everyone want to talk with him. Everyone want to cover that person's news. They are asking, but that person now he get bored. He get irritated, not bored, irritated from the cameras. He told I'm just here for peace. I'm here for to share for what the kind service like seva of. So that's why he is nowadays irritated from the camera. Okay, and
Yeah,
one
otherwise
other
he is a
another.
too much cheerful person. Otherwise he is too much cheerful person.
Yeah. He worked in a foreign like US as a aeronautic engineer, but
Hmm.
he left the job and he adopted the. It's a really the some person who I think what can say abandoned the जो तो देश की मोह माया त्याग देता है like this word. So they can he understand what is the reality of our life, what is the world, what is the country. I think that's why he ended up because and everyone know what is the harsh reality of life. One day everyone will be die. So
Right, right. He also show the part of life. He draw the picture on the paper. Maybe you seen this video, and
I said,
he told everyone what is the part of life. I just see within 5 to 7 minutes, not too much. I didn't watch whole video. Yeah, one thing I find through the YouTube. Before Mahakumbh, I didn't know how much uh, saint in our India, like very big aura, and they really very energetic.
yes.
They have so many like power, different kind of power. So I got to know through the YouTube. Yeah.
It's a power
So
of
I
social
got
media.
surprised. I got surprised. Oh, one of saint, I think 125 kg Rudrash wearing on their head.
Yes.
Yeah, you
It's
know?
around 42 kg.
Huh?
Around 42 kg.
Yeah, and one of 125. So I thought how much power they have. I think he is not a ordinary person. He
Yes.
ultimately have a power. That's the reason he wearing 125 kg Rudraj. Even
Yeah.
if we like uh, put only 20 to 25 kg, we automatically
100.
feel
Yes.
dizzying, right? So how can they put too much heavy burden, I can say.
They are really very greatest persons, and they, you can't, after the Kumbh you will not find, you will never see them. I don't know where they just go and hide themselves. They live
Yeah,
simple.
you are absolutely right. You snatched my word. I am also thinking like that. You know, when we visit like normally, we don't see scent, right? But when from Kumbh Mela start, so I thought where they come because we never seen earlier.
Yes, 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 yes. Even this year in Kumbh, not this year, always in Kumbh Mela, you can't believe, but foreigner saint also came. Foreigner people also came to for worship, to take deep into holy rivers.
Yeah, yeah.
This year, our country invited around more than 70 countries, people, saints to participate in the Kumbh Mela.
Yeah, yeah, you are absolutely right. So one thing is last, um, one point is last, except from like Ganga, Saraswati, and which one?
Yam,
First,
Yamuna.
Yamuna. Yeah. Anything, other things special over there?
Yeah, like there is, for you already mentioned like Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. So these are our holy rivers. There is a one a very famous temple. It's called Bade Hanuman Ji. They are just laying in a laying position. It's also famous temple, Bade Hanuman Ji. There are different places, like there are a museum. Maybe you heard Anand Bhavan. It was a home of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first prime minister. Museum. There is a park which one nowadays people known as a company garden, but its original name is Alfred Park, where like Chandrasekhar Azad were got sorted herself. So that is also, and many places are there to visit. If you download Kumbh Mela, so you will find, I think, a tiny information about Prayagraj, about Mela.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for giving us information. Thank you so much for connecting with me and giving your precious time. And there, I would like to give some feedback.
Okay.
If you don't mind, so I would like to tell you one thing. You speak so sure. सा को
Yes.
आप ना श pronunciation करते हो. So
Yes.
you have to do practice, I think, because
Yes. Yeah.
अभी भी
Someone
yes,
already told me, but I'm
sorry.
trying to. Yeah, someone already told me these things. I have this problem in pronunciation, sa.
Hmm.
So
So you have to na, you have to if you really want to get rid those words, so you have to partition two parts. First one so, second one sure. Just as like some, SOME some, and second one is SHOT short. Some short. See, she. You have to do practice, so maybe you get rid this problem.
yeah, absolutely, ma'am. I will try to do, and because we are here for learning, so I'm welcomes, and really I happy you notice this. So yeah, thank you, ma'am. So thank you, and have a nice day, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, bye bye. Same to you.
Bye.